Hey guys, and today I officially bought a new car. Yep, it's the Ford GT. Yeah. And please on the comments rate this 0 to 10. And yeah, it's got the design of Jackson Storm from Cars the movie. One of my favourite characters. Yeah. It's like the design on there, it's got like carbon fiber. And yeah, let's see the speed if it's okay. I did test the speed, but I'm gonna see if you're okay with it. Oh, my bad, sorry. Oh, it sounds nice, but do you know what this car really needs? It needs like... Where am I going? Oh yeah, of course, I'm so dumb. I think this car really needs a good upgrade on its launch. And obviously, this car has a lot of speed, but I say it needs... I think if it's possible, I could add more speed onto this. It's already got 8.3 speed. And it's got good handling as well. And I love Ford GTs. So, yeah. It does go up to the speed quite quickly, not gonna lie. I'm gonna see like the full thing. So yeah, so speed is got a lot. Handling, acceleration, yeah, launch. That's the thing I need to work on, but not off-road. Use this. Braking, it's got a lot. Yeah, it's got good braking, but these two needs upgrading, but I say the handling's okay. So yes. I'm gonna get to my location. Made it to my location and yeah. So I'm gonna upgrade this car. And yeah, please like and sub everyone. Peace.